Hello, I'm here with Dan from Landmark Studio and Design. Dan, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm doing really well. It's really nice to be here with you today to talk about your products. I think they're unique. I think you do a great service to the environment here, amongst other things. Let's talk a little bit about what you have here and how this is constructed and made and these sorts of things.
Sure. Well, this is recycled milk containers. This unit itself is made from 1,200 recycled milk containers. So we're basically diverting milk containers from being thrown into the landfill, actually being made into a usable, viable product. You can see all the various colors that are available to us, and so we can make things to your specifications.
And you were saying your company alone diverts how many?
About 1 million.
1 million? I mean, that's a tremendous number, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. And so and these are of course recyclable at the end of their use as well.
Yes, they are. You would never throw anything like this away. The idea is that this could be thrown into the recycle bin again and made into new product. And what they say, they believe, is that the plastic will be recycled up to 15 times. So an original milk jug will be in existence for 350 years if you add the lifetime of this product before it would need to be recycled again.
That's certainly really important stuff. So what else can you tell us? I mean, as far as a restaurant owner, you're going to ask, what differentiates you then primarily from the competition when it comes to getting things like this for their restaurant or whatever operation it may be, a spa or a resort, something like that? All of those folks, they're going to look at you and go, well, yeah, okay, it's recycled. But really, what is the principal difference between you and the other guys out there?
Well, most of the other trash enclosures or busing stations, podiums, or bars, they're all made out of wood or metal, and sometimes particle board, and the longevity of a number of those things are really not that long. And the especially like the particle board containers that you see with the Formica on the top of them, they start, the corners start chipping, things start looking a little worn after a while. So this is, and most of those types of products have very little recycled material added to them.
Right.
Where this unit here is basically 90% recycled material.
Yeah.
So if you're looking to show your commitment to the sustainability, this is your product right here.
This is it.
Yes.
And I mean, it's interesting because it doesn't look like it's a sustainable. It looks very, plasticky, and it looks like it's not sustainable. I mean, versus looking at a nice wood structure, people are going, oh, it's wood.
Yeah.
Oh, wood is so nice. It's mellow. I mean, it's a fantastic structure. This thing looks like it's impermeable. I mean, it's never going to do anything like twist. Things start rocking on their foundations because they warp a little bit with moisture, temperature, this and that. Yeah. This thing is going to be solid, right?
Yes, it is. And one thing you can see like from the edge right here is that the color goes all the way through the product. It's not just a surface color. It is throughout the entire product, the color.
And that's actually a really good point.
Yes, if something was to get dented or scratched, you don't see it as bad as if it was a different type of a material.
So it always has that new look to it.
Sure.
That's fantastic. Let's look at this here. So you have all the different colors here. Mm-hmm. That's very nice. And here we have an example for spa use. So that's terrific. So I think that's really the killer application here, the environmental side of this.
Yes.
So companies really want to do that thing with reducing the footprint, footprint, carbon, and the microplastics, and all of these things.
Exactly.
And this is really a good solution for people, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah.
And we also, as you're coming over this way, you can see that we have a nice line of outdoor furniture. Tables and chairs for nowadays with
I'll tell you,
we've all experienced.
This is fantastic right here. You know that?
Very comfortable.
It's extremely comfortable. I can't get up. It's really nice. This is really nice stuff. It looks really good too.
Yeah. And it actually has it can have an umbrella put into it if you wanted to have that feature also.
I see that right there.
Yep.
You gotta go home. Yeah, you want to have an umbrella for sure. Next thing you're going to have Adirondack chairs.
We do have Adirondack
You
chairs.
do?
We're just limited on what you can bring to a show. You know, you can't bring everything.
Yeah.
I mean, otherwise we would have a huge booth. And
It's fantastic. I love it. I love it, and yeah. So let's get people down here. Booth 3580 in the South Hall,
Yes.
NRA 23, folks. If you're seeing this thing on Monday, come down. Dan is going to be here. He wants to talk to you about this
Yes.
stuff, right?
Yes, sir.
It's all really good stuff. So, Dan, anything else you want to add to it, or basically that's it?
I would just, it would be great. People come on down, and you know, if sustainability is something that is true to their heart, and they really want to, you know, keep plastics out of the water, then this type of a product is for you.
Yeah. Out of the landfills.
Yes.
I mean, 1 million plastic containers.
Yes.
Your company alone.
Our company.
Think about that.
Yeah.
Think about that, folks. That's a lot. Okay. Dan, thank you so much.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, bye.